Hello guys, it's Mokobo here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to install Wordpress from your Cpanel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your Cpanel. Once you're there, you simply scroll down and you click on what? WordPress Manager. So once you're there, you are going to see this display button. In some cases, you are going to see it in this way, that you simply need to choose what? WordPress. So once you're here, you simply need to insert your site name. So let me just say Elec TV. The site description, I'll just say tech. So after that, you are going to insert your admin username, your password. So the admin email address, let me just say info. So once you're there, you simply need to choose the language. So I'll leave it in English. For backup, daily backup, I'll click on it. For emails, yes, I'll click on these various plugins. Click here. But if you want it like that, you can simply leave it in that manner without installing any plugin from fresh. So after that, you scroll down. You can simply choose your WordPress theme, but I'm going to leave it like that. I won't choose any. So after that, I'll simply need to insert my installation email. Click on what? Install. So you need to wait for it to get complete. So once installation is complete, you simply click on what? Return to WordPress management. So guys, we just successfully installed it. So we simply need to get access to our WordPress dashboard. Click here, login. You need to wait for a while. Okay, this is it. This is the WordPress we are just installing. A new fresh site, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. That's actually the way you install WordPress from your Cpanel. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.